In the previous lesson, we spoke about how we form plurals in Arabic and the importance of memorizing your words immediately in the singular form and in the plural form in Arabic. Today, I'm going to talk about the concept of group plurals in Arabic, which exists not only in classical Arabic or modern standard Arabic, it also exists in dialects. And in this lesson, of course, I'm going to be particularly giving you examples with a Lebanese accent. So what are group plurals? Group plurals, think about it as stuff that you usually see as a group, animals, objects, fruits that come usually as a group. I'm going to give you 5 examples today. I'm going to start with these onions here. So if I show you 3 onions, in the plural, onions is basal, and it's very easy to form the singular form of this plural. All you need to do is add a te marbuta in the end. Now in Fusha, all you need to do is add the a sound in the end. But in the Lebanese dialect, when you add the te marbuta, it's gonna sound either a or a. So basal is in the plural. 1 onion would be basle. So I added the te marbuta and I pronounced it as a. Basal, basle. The same applies, for example, to moz. Moz is in the plural, bananas, moz. If I want to say 1 banana, it's mauze, mauze. But I'm not really saying moze, no, I'm changing it and I'm saying mauze. But actually in the plural, it can be pronounced as moz or mouse. It's the same, moz or mouse. But 1 banana would be mauze, mauze. Now, when it comes to apples, in the plural, it's تفاح with a ha sound, تفاح. But 1 apple would be تفاحة, تفاحة. The te marbuta here sounds like a تفاح, تفاحة. The same applies to carrots. جزر, جزر in the plural. And if it's 1 carrot, you say جزرة, جزرة. The same applies to lemons. In Lebanese Arabic, lemons are حامد, حامد. And 1 lemon can be حامدة with a حامدة. But also حامدة means something that is bitter. It's an adjective as well, حامدة. But also oranges can be a group plural. Oranges in Lebanese Arabic is ليمون, ليمون. And 1 orange would be ليمونة, ليمونة. Now you might be wondering why in the Lebanese dialect sometimes the te marbuta sounds like a and sometimes it sounds like a. It has nothing to do with the group plurals. It depends on the letter that comes just before the te marbuta.